Hi friends, this video shows how to transfer files between laptop and TV using USB debugging or ADB debugging. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about, go down, set Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Under system you can find developer options. Set it. These are a list of developer options. From this list let me enable this USB debugging or ADB debugging. Let me enable. Done. After that let me go to this laptop. Here we need to install this tool, ADB tool. We can download this zip file from internet, then extract. Let me go to this extracted folder. Here you can see adb.exe. Then from this path, from here we need to open command prompt. I already opened command prompt. See, from here we can run ADB commands. Before that we need to connect this laptop to TV using USB cable. See, I already connected this laptop to TV using USB cable. Then you can click here, then check for this USB icon. If you see this USB icon, that means you have successfully connected laptop to TV. Okay, next I am going to transfer some files. See, these are the commands I am going to execute. The first one, this is for transfer files from laptop to TV. This is for transfer files from TV to laptop. This is for delete some files from TV. First, let me transfer some files from laptop to TV. I am going to transfer this image of the dog, then this video file. So this is the image I am going to transfer. Then this is the video file. Okay. So before I start, let me go to TV. In TV, open File Manager app. Let me open this Explore File Manager app. Then go to internal shared storage. When I copy files, that will come here. Okay, transferred files we can check here. Okay, then here let me copy this. Let me copy this command. I am going to transfer this image of the dog, then paste here, enter. Done. Then in TV let me go to internal shared storage, go down. Here you can see that image. Okay, done. Next I am going to transfer this video file. Enter. Done. Here we need to refresh. See, we can see the video file here. Next I am going to transfer one image from TV to laptop. I am going to transfer here in this test folder under F directory. Let me go to directory of test here. Let me copy this command. Paste here. Done. Let me check. See. Okay. Next I am going to delete that image of the dog from here, from this TV. See. Let me copy this command. Done. Then let me refresh. See, deleted. Okay. This way we can transfer files between laptop and TV using USB debugging or ADB debugging. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.